A boy in school was always embarrassed of his mother because she had only one eye. He would always try to avoid her when she would come to school. The other kids would make fun of him, saying that, "Just see, your mother has only one eye." And he was feeling extremely embarrassed of this. As he grew up, he went to college, and still he would not bring his friends to home because he was embarrassed of the fact that his mother had one eye. Gradually, he got married, and then after marriage, he became totally dedicated to the family of his wife, and he totally forgot about his mother. When the mother would come to try to see the grandchildren, he would not allow her near because he just felt that they will find it strange to be near a one-eyed lady. After a few years, his mother died. When she died, she had left behind a letter. The son opened the letter, and the letter said, "My dear son, when you were a small child, you had an accident, and in that accident you lost one eye. It was me who donated one eye to you, and I hope you are having a great time seeing the world with both your eyes." When we are in a state of total dedication to serve, we are only concerned with helping others. परीक्षा करिते गोपाल कोइला आज्ञादान, परीक्षा होइला शेषे होइला दयावान, प्रगाढ़ प्रेमेर एई स्वभाव आचार, निज दुख बिघ्नादिर न करे विचार. Pure love is without any selfish consideration, and therefore we develop that kind of selflessness when we are in contact with Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the cause of all causes. We may be sitting and ridiculing the Supreme Lord, thinking, what has He done for us? Some of us may even be embarrassed to utter the word God or speak about Him. But how easily we forget that whatever we have received and whatever we are receiving are simply gifts which He is giving us. And after receiving those gifts, how ungrateful on our part to not even remember Him, thank Him, and express our gratitude to Him. It is such a sorry state of affairs. And therefore Maharaj Parikshit says, Tasyaiva meghasya paravaresho vyasakta chittasya griheshu abhikshnam nirveda mulo dvijashaparupo yatra prasakto bhayamashu dhatte. My dear Lord, you have very mercifully shortened my life in the form of this takshak bird coming and biting me. But as a result, I can say with great confidence, I am going to gain detachment, determination, and devotion at your lotus feet. And therefore, I do not lose anything, I only gain.